on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for vehicle warning lights and construction and emergency strobe lights for trucks. As you can see here, we've got a brand new 2019 F-150 in the shop. This is for a local survey company, and what we've done on this truck is our TIR3 in amber in the front grille, our very newest style of LED HAW in the reverse housings, and our popular mini LED bar on our Acari mount on the roof. Here you can see that mini LED bar mounted on the Acari mount. Now that mount is a damage-free mount. I also have a video that shows how we mount the light bar to the bracket, so take a look at that video as well. As you can see right here in the grill, almost all of these newer Super Duties have this little pocket by the headlight where you can mount a TIR3 or a LIN-6. Both of the lights fit there rather easily, and you can drill a hole and fish the wiring right behind the headlight very easily. And inside our taillight housing, as long as it is the standard taillights like this, not the fancy LED lariat or platinum taillights, you can drill the 1-inch hole and insert the LED hideaway right there from the back on an outward angle, basically pointing right here. Very easy to install there as well. And here's a little better shot of that Acari mount with the Wayland LED light bar on there. It fits very nicely on the roof. As you can see, when you don't use the feet of the light bar and you mount the light bar like that, you really don't lose a lot of overhead height. You're probably only sticking up about 3.5 to 4 inches off the roof of the truck right here. Oh, I guess. Here you go. 3.5 inches exactly off the roof of the truck. I have been asked that question before, what the clearance is. So 3.5 for this particular mount. The OEM third brake light goes right back in place. You don't touch anything. You just basically unmount it and mount it right back in the same spot. Only 206 miles. Very cool. So we decided to put the switch right here. This vehicle is not equipped with the Mirror Mod kit needed lighting, so we were able to put the switch right there. It's just our standard 3/4 flush mount switch in red. As far as where we grab power on this particular build, we grabbed our power from our OEM 12-volt outlet, and we brought it over to our switch, fused it appropriately, and then ran our lighting off of that. Hope this helps. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Keep us in mind for all of your strobe lighting needs. Take a look in the description of this video for a link to this exact package and every one of these items individually. So if you'd like to rebuild this exact package, we have it as a parts kit. All you'll need to do is install it. Check the description for that. Be sure to subscribe and like, post up a comment, and share this video on your favorite social media. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.